Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Shark Cage diving operator business. Suppose as the owner of Shark Cage diving operator business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to handle bookings, share safety guidelines and provide weather updates. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Shark Cage diving operator business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and type I want to book a diving slot. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. Welcome to Shark Thrill Adventures, ready for a thrilling underwater experience with sharks. What would you like to do today? Now we have two options: book a dive, safety guidelines. Simply click on book a dive. After clicking, you will see I am getting response. What's your full name? Now I am typing my name, test user. After typing my name, I am getting another response. Great test user. Which date and time would you like dive? Now I am entering date and time, 25 May 2025 and time 10 am. After typing date and time, I am getting another response. How many people in your group? Now I am typing 4. 4 people in my group. Now I am getting another response. Booking summary. Name test user, date and time, group size 4. Reply confirm to secure your spot. Now simply click on confirm. After clicking confirm, I am getting our last message. You are all set. Test user, your dive on 25 May, time 10 am for 4 guests is confirmed. Now we have an option safety guidelines. Simply click on it. After clicking, you will see I am getting responses. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section, we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field, we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section, we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your Shark Cage diving operator business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we have an enter keywords and template section. With the help of both of them, we are also triggered our chatbot. Now we take text button and write a welcome message on it. Welcome to Shark Thrill Adventures, ready for a thrilling underwater experience with sharks. What would you like to do today? Now in this we also add buttons. Book a dive, Safety guidelines. Now simply connect the flow. Now we take another text button and write a message on it. When user press safety guidelines button, then we will send over this message. In this we also add book now button. Now we take another question box. In this box we ask a name from user. Awesome, let's get you booked. What's your full name? And you will see I am using asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now we select contact custom field, full name, also select format, that is text format. When user press book a dive button, then we will send over this message and also connect this book now button to this question box. Now simply save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take another question box. In this box we ask a date and time from user. Great. Full name. Which date and time would you like to type? And you will see I am using $sign. Why we use $sign? When user enter their name, the $sign replace their name with full name. Now we select the contact custom field, date and time. Also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box and write a message on it. How many people in your group? Now select the contact custom field, quantity, and select the format, that is text format. Now we connect this question box to this box. Now we take text button and write a booking summary on it. Name, date and time, group size, and in this we also add confirm button and simply connect this question box to this message box. Now we take another text button and write our last message on it and connect this confirm button to this message box and simply save the flow. If you want to increase your chat flow according to your needs, you can easily do. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type shark diving. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.